New tonight, another former corrections officer sentenced in the death of Rochester native and inmate Robert Brooks. An Oneida County judge giving David Kingsley the maximum sentence of 25 years to life.
A jury finding Kingsley guilty of murder and manslaughter in October after he was shown on body camera video holding Brooks by the neck. As 13 WAM's Natalie Calzatoni reports, Brooks' family was able to face the former guard at sentencing this morning. Natalie.
Good evening. The special prosecutor on the case says this is the first case in his memory where a New York State correctional officer has been convicted and sentenced for murdering an inmate. The son of Robert Brooks says this sentence is one more stop on the road towards justice.
All of this could have been avoided if you and your fellow officers just did your job. My dad would still be alive.
In his own words Friday, Robert Brooks Jr. faced David Kingsley, the former Marcy Correctional Officer, convicted of murder and manslaughter in the beating death of his namesake, Robert Brooks.
Watching your actions on camera felt like I was stuck in a horror movie and you guys were the monsters.
For us, forgiveness will take a long road. Just like the path through grief and the trudge towards justice, today I hope justice is served.
Before an Oneida County judge handed Kingsley the maximum sentence of 25 years to life, the former CO's eyes remained on the floor as he offered condolences to Brooks' family.
All of the events that happened over the last 3 days of Mr. Brooks' life should never have happened. Every single incident was senseless. Nonetheless, I would like to offer my heartfelt apology to the Brooks family.
The prosecutor on the case says every former guard that physically beat Brooks has been given a sentence.
7 years, 15 years, 22 years, 22 years, and now life. And I hope this sends a message that reverberates throughout the rest of New York State.
The remaining defendant, Michael Fisher, also appeared in court Friday. He is set to stand trial next month.
It is based on the theory that Mr. Fisher was intimately aware of the fact that Mr. Brooks was being beaten, and he stood there and did absolutely nothing. Judge Bauer has already ruled that the law of the case is that that is manslaughter.
In September, prosecutors say David Walters pleaded guilty to manslaughter after admitting to standing by and watching as Brooks was beaten. Earlier this month, Walters was released from prison after posting bond pending an appeal of his guilty plea. His attorney argues he was prosecuted by way of an employment directive, not a law.
We're concerned about the decision. We have suggested to the judge that he reconsider.
Fitzpatrick says a hearing relating to David Walters' release is scheduled for Monday. Meanwhile, the family of Robert Brooks filed a proposed amendments to its federal civil rights lawsuit that has new allegations, and we'll have more on that at 5:30. Karen.
Natalie.